maphoso bulela maphoso
o siame doctor
o ko e baneng ba bang bosiu kapa o roba ka wena maphoso o na re o bona bana ba bang o bona basimanyana nna ke bona ka dijalo joina ke aka maphoso nako nngwe that's go ke batla go nna DJ nna ke batla go tshameka le bana ba bangwe ke nesa
Dr. November
ke shapo mopoza thank you ma mabedi dumelang ye ka o fela mo le mametseng le lona teng re ke motho FM 88.5 yes wana mambilo ka rata 88.5 re mona Bloemfontein for batho ba TikTok le batho ba Facebook ke Bloemfontein motho FM of Free State it's a community radio station mar Free State mona radio number 1 wana mambilo ka rata tswale he le topela ka la Facebook ke Pastor November and Victorious Faith Ministry ke live on Pastor November and Victorious Faith Ministry TikTok ke Dr. November kapa Pastor November o tsona ke life di le pedi o se bona maphosa na thank you maphosa ku tompotsa ka therapy
ke tla mo doctor ke re ntse tswela kapa re kwetse
nna ntse ke nana maphosa
doctor ke bona kana o sheba go Buruzo botebe ba ka bona Dr. November o shebela ka re tsana
ke kwetsa krio yona e kwetse no
but yo tsa o di sharp di sharp
ke la lo tswa bosiu ke be ke dula ka ditona ke qamaka ke ipotsa dipotso ka nnete ntate plate itletse ntate plate itletse ntate
ke na go ile mo re re sefana
ya ntate ke na go ile
ma ga o shebile ga o etsa go sefa go sa go sala wa di kapa
o tla bona la re sefe go sala bukai e sala sefe ke mathaka yo
o sala tsi sala
ke mathaka yo nna tse sala ke mathaka tso sefe agre ko bleletse mosedi ko ke role model nna ke tsena role model tsa baruti ke felletsa tsena role model tsa baruti ke se shapa ka mseleko mameti mseleko ke role model a ke sana baruti a ke sana di role model tsa baruti so ke shapa ka mseleko jwa yena
e tla ha mseleko a etsa go advise Dr. November re tla ka moga go bontsha re bona go Dr. November
ana kumlela maphosa bona seriously if ne o ka bona ntate botong re ka a re wa bona ba ngena ba tla ba ngena because o kile Dr. Masekonitse o itse ba sedi ba ngata ba stepong ene ke nnete most ya basadi ba stepong I will say 90% or 95 I'm sure ba stepong ka fa and it's an official sabedo samshaqane ntate so ha ka ba motho ya bulang a nna
ba tla dira official se re
and no move and I'm talking about South Africa motho mo fela yo re motsebang the whole county of South Africa hore hauna motho mo ba banga kriki bo Gabriel of the angel of the Gabriel of the flying of the Masiba yeah marumong he motho ka tlisang tarole marumbotse ba mangwe ke ma o tsaba mang South Africa mo ba ruti Bloemfontein ha o sheba ka o bodina
ha ke sheba straight ke Dr. November
hi my boss
Dr. Ana was my sharp
not sharp 150%
okay
not good in that
no Dr. Tsele mo go tsona
okay
Moritse motsefe motho mo motla re mpho maybe ga ba kile ba ibua Dr. November ka motho mo Dr. November lona mo ke ba ibua le morutislo but this thing ke batla maybe go na le motho reng ha ka e utlwa ka para a re gatela re emphasize Doctor, giving up on your relationship or marriage. Giving up. Point in giving up. It has many ways that I can sometimes. Give up. Omong o batla go advise go ska give up. Omong o batla go tswa. Ana go na motho tampelane se ka. Omong o batla a doubt ka ta go tswa mara. Itse motho ma ka bua sense maybe nka se give up. What could you advise? Go ka advise ka hana ka advice ya reng doctor mo motho re.
Okay.
Nna ke batla go give up.
Okay. Nama posa ha una motho le wana ka mo advise ang ra give up for. I don't know. I think to begin ke le ka bua le moruti tsoka pa le wena ka pa. But agree topic tsa lenyalo mo sa se ntho tsantse re buile ka yona re fitile doesn't matter re bua ga intsi wa bona. I think when I'm opposed I will never say nna Zenzile and Rich November or batho ba give up ele manyalo a bona ka part relationship tsa bona. I will never say that. Ne ona le manyalo ka part relationship so ka di give up ela ne. And then mo mamedi tlo mo tsona ke le feeling ya lo ka relationship ka give up ela ke relationship e sena molemo una le relationship le manyalo a sena molemo. Next gore you are running a business without profit there is nothing you can go bona ona le the relationship tse jwalo tsa ka di give up ela ka manyalo a jwalo ne. But again we need to be very careful gore ha re bua ka the relationship re bua ka relationship ya nako kae because ona le the relationship like ona jwale now I am no more that person e o ke neng ke le yana pele ene re ha ke fihla bophelo ba motho be se ke nka over ke bapala di role tsa ntate. So somebody motho ka fihla bophelo ba ka akana hana I'm just a useless person but now because you know ke hata clutch ke relax no agree pele ke ntwe ne ke bua ka ona ke re bontate ba bangata when re fihla maphilong a batho ha re fe batho chance ya re ba bona re ba rata ha re fihla bophilong ba bona sentse re bapala di role o so etsa eng so betcha o so etsa so that thing ke ne etsa re qeteletse se re sa tsebo re ratwa ka pajwana. So nna ne ke le jwala ke fihla bophilong ba motho ke fihla ka re sentse ke o bula ka tsatsi le leng ke job ke man ke kopana le this lady re buisana ho ba monate jwale ke mo escort ke ha o dompontsha ha ba shaba fihla ha ke kana tsarting first day I feel like ke bona jarta ile fail and then se ke botsa why jarta ile fail ke rena batla batho ka patala
Doctor wa itla go itla ha o itse motho o tlhatsantse wa di rata o rutse ka tsone wa itla wa koluma se se koluma
so Harburg can't give up. You number one, agree about the relationship. When only relationship, you need to check the relationship or because when I about talk about the expectation, relationship in enter. Anything and then one about one the expectation. So you cannot expect and then also decide to give up a relationship in anything that is number one. Check the relationship or relationship that is number one. Number two, the relationship it's an le manyalo na kwetelele moto tolore there is no progress o ka ra lenyalo o ka ra lenyalo o ka ra relationship but there is no progress bile ke a dilemo relationship bona ona le relationship tse bileng dinang le maphosa dinang le kur dijara tse fitang tsa manyalo kur ra relationship tse bitang manyalo kur mamelo a ka rata kur relationship ye ke a di legend ama poko kur e ka la mopoko ka la batho ba gale ba bitswa ba gale
di anti
it's ba re ke relationship gore wa jolo gore ga nna go na le bo bana le bana ba tembile ba sa tseba gala gore ke bo mang ke bo wena ka no mangwe wa bona ke relationship so when a relationship but when you sit down and check out the relationship haina, there's no progress, hauna next, hauna anything e buang e molemo kapa eng. You can give up for that relationship. You can also give up for lesson and direction. Because we cannot run away from Tabinyao on a little relationship, so it's just a waste of time. You are just wasting your time to have this person. How na progress, how na anything just a waste of time. About relationship, you can give up for manyalo ajolo kapa the relationship tejwa. But the biggest problem now, the challenge here na mapoza le Mamidi wa Motheo FM. Rena le batho ba give up for lenyalo, ba give up for the relationship, ba give up for lerato. Ke bona ba nna nenga khala ho bua le bona bana ba seng ba give up because bana ba give up for the partner at bona maybe bana le mabaka but hape maposo ntse ke batla gore batho ba ithute yona e batho ba tshwantse ba ke ba ishebe batho tshwantse ba o ye tsare yone re kile ra bua Motheo FM ka re mo mamedi ka rata batho ba ka ramanyalo we young the problem kuro hona le di problem mo maposo se o re di bitsang di nice problem le bitsang
a nice life problem.
Nice life problem. Hobubale the problem is you can tell or around that is one. Now, when a relationship, where the problem? Musadi muruna no muna wai wachita in ibile na sabata next year yana usaka dula fatu shape. Before you can make that decision, check or before kopana le muneno no lejo. Uno pila jo. Uno pila environment in jo. Well, no apara jwang because unyetso ke mothela and everything this lady ke bonle and unyetso ke motha chinchile bophelo ba yana o tsamaka dikolo etsa eng. Now this lady Pirana, you need to sit down and check where the stress check stresses up before unyala and no check ore how gotlela ho sona sine se o tshwere jwang sena se o tshwere jwang stress because momamedi there is nothing es non stress maphosa remonna mpo wa bona ke moruti stress se ke stholang kere ke nyane se tshosa but if o ka mpotsa hore ke a ilotlela boruti le kere ke gotlele morao I will never go back I will never go back maphosa I will never. You know why? Because stress se ke stholang kere ke nye sim bitero fita stress se sa dula botshabelo ka ramkuku lo tsama ka bese ke tswa ka bo focus a hlapa. Stress is taking a lesson. So that is why people they need to sit down. But where the stress, check out stress mo mamidu. Motiona ya usukang ke mufuto jwa moto o chinchile bophelo ba wa kaka. Because stress is someone you inside the relationship. Rempa fela ready beile, we itse ha go to beile bolo kokotso. Kwapa ali kokotso. We itse kotso. Ke mo buola hande re dlala maali o dlala o bea o dira ntho tutudinyana ntho ka re se holo nya ne o bo bea bolo o dima ntho ka re se holo o bo betsa bolo ali yenngwe e le udimo ne re bitsa kotso e bea ko mo udimo ye a mpo o tlile ya nya mo mpo marjo mpo kisiri disakas mpo o tse se ke le doctor ma mpo ma is mpukuru na belir diga bo airtime moya diga mo airtime. So now it's just that rempa fela re etsa stress sa manyalo di relationship e ka re ke tsona tse wes but in that ona le batho na di problem tse serious manyalo tse I mean isi manyalo di mesebetsi ba tholang di stress tse serious mesebetsi but o ma wa botsa gore why ba sa tloele ba lo dula go gae. You know why? Because ba weya di stress or highly stress sa mosebetsi the stress sa dula ko location ke safe. So if we can do that le ka manyalo a rona re weye di stress go highly stress sa dula ke di one going back go taxing gape le tse motho o diretseng a le sona di koloi e bile o file di koloi then you need to choose highly stress sa dula ka taxi le go boela le go nna stress ka koloi o ntse le ka koloi ke safe. Now ke ke tlo bolela something e tlo thubang
Okay.
before ke buana go teng ke tlo bolela ntho e tlo thubang kelello le momamedi but that decision momamedi this one ona batla le tsose mana dijong yeo batla le tsose ba isane le tsose di family tsa nna le batho ba le batho ba le ba jetse ba mamele motho ke a le kopa hle because this thing ke batla to be very powerful momamedi ga rata le Facebook mona ke kopa le kene le ntho le theke batho le etseng le theke batho le TikTok o nkena mo you know but that decision maphosa yeah who choose between stress and nice life problem le a problem e hloka hore o shebe the mindset yo tlo sebedisang your mind hore ke mofuta of because we have but bana le a poverty mentality bana le kelelo ya bofutsana mpho but bana le kelelo la bofutsana always ba choose ntho le bofutsana ka hara wa nko tla utlwela when you need when you want to get that decision yeah or choose in between stress nice life problem less stress so now you need to check the kind of mentality operator because ona la batho operator ka kelelo la bofutsana but ba kelelo ya bofutsana ntata ba kgatha le gotla la bofutsana batho bana le kelelo la bofutsana ba tshwana le kelelo le fariki fariki o ka enka wa ihatso wa nka still hulu le skill rata wa pasiba but I can create opportunity e buela ka peko seretse so when we really choose when we tshwanela o dira the decision if we tshwanela o tsa decision momamedi e jwana consult especially when kelelo ya gago e se right if your mind e ulumeletsa because ona la batho ba sabotage ke dikelelo tsa bona o thole the reason why ya sokola it is because sabotage ke kelelo ya motho se etsa di decisions tse right tse ka mothusa most ya batho ba etsa di decisions tse negative mindset so when o batla o etsa that decision or no ke batla o dula lenyalo la ka kapa ke batla you need to sit down o check okay lenyalo la ka le frustrate loka and then ha ke tswa lenyalo le frustration e ke tswang ho yona e o lenyalo le ne le ntshitse ho yona ke willing go gotlela ho yona na you get my point Papa? The same way in the relationship when about talk about the relationship I so be lenyalo but since I like our relationship and also not the changes bophelo Bible se bole better so momamedi that is why when you when o batla etsa decision sit down and o check away the stress tse no highly stress sa o qala from zero le stress sa hore ke ne ke tswele pele ka problem ena ke se fetse better
so doctor go ka diagala gore kana go ngwe o tswe ko re for the relationship o phela go sena stress go stress se reg se se nice o ya ko stress se serious go na le possibility ya
ite
o tsena mo relationship e go shotsa stress se serious se nice like
no ite go na le batho ba tlola gore ka nnete o na le stress anali one but stress se o sa high se le le compared se na se o alinga rasona today so yeah so that is one the other thing yengwe e re shapa e dangerous maphosa e o le mo America la ngwa I think rena lo etsa di decision ka dintho tseo di re tshosang ka nti wena o na le bogoni ba yona miss call re tshoswa ke dintho tseo tla thola hore o mpa fela o tshoswa go e sheba le utlwa batho ba ka but if ka ba ka ro yona it won't do anything ka wena o ka ijarela example a re tsa mohla ona le basadi ba reng na stress sa ka gore monna ka ba cheat kapa monna ka ampichele kapa monna ka ibile nna monna ka cheata for the second time ya o bothola hore o tlo etsa that decision mara uncle o nontse o tlo gona we win until you are more powerful o defeat until that is why rena le batho ba tswile manyalong ba hlotseng ke manyalo ba tswileng di relationshiping ka baka la dintho tse ba ne ba tshwantse ba di hlotse but it's just that ka nako o e shabang le ka nako batho ba buang ka yona o bona le ntho dangerous it's like o bona Goliath pela gago when o no ka sheba Goliath and that batho ba ba tswile Goliath ka o fela bona until David a fumana rona tsena se problem so rena le ntho jona rena le tshoswa ke dintho tse tla thola gore mare ntho nga gona we handle but you did not give yourself a chance to try we handle because already since o keno sentse le negative no ha ke tlo ml
sometimes doctor ka re o le pure pressure ya tsena mo o mo tlogele man go dira
Eh, o bua
mo
nnete.
mo bore ba go batho ba mbaisi ka bentse ke
O
dutse
bua nnete Mphosa. O bua nnete. No, you're 150% right in that. Now, coming back to issue who give up for manyalo for relationship. That one, momame di nena ke kopa le nkutlwe. E ka re le ka tsosa ma next door, le ba tshele ka metsi, ko re bethe tsa bona di ba tshele ka metsi. Ko re le ena ntate o ithobaditse mo pele ga ka re ka mo tshela ka metsi. Ko re tshwere le bikiri fela, e ka rona metsi, o bo re le thelle. Ka metsi.
doctor a re tshelle
A re tshelle go
ke go piano ke ke bona le se go setse
most of us Mphosa go na le batho ba batlang go give up for manyalo le ba batho ba batlang go give up for ha re sa bua ka lenyalo re bua ka gore motho e seng lenyalo la hae re se re bua ka batho ba batlang go give up for manyalo ba re nna ke se batla lenyalo
meaning nna ke batla totally ke shapo ka lenyalo
ke lenyalo not la gage go na le batho ba seng ba sa tlhole ba le ka ramanyalo mara a sa batla lenyalo because
for example when o kana o sa batla lenyalo
like nna nka reng ka se batla manyalo there's no body nka mo supportang gore a etse that decision a lose interest ya lenyalo kapa lerato kapa relationship. One, mpho re loser dintho tse teng tsempa re sena le hlololo la di thola today and then bo se give up re give up la dintho tse teng. There is no way how sa khona o ba le tšhelete bo se rena give up le for tšhelete as if ka re tšhelete yo le fatshe tšhelete e teng but it's just that maybe wena a una so bile le hlololo la wetho. There is no way re ka give up on lenyalo if no telefatse le nona batho ba nyalaneng ne re tlo runa re batla ntho e siko e batho ba e siko but for the fact that gore hona le batho ba ka rang lenyalo o bulela lenyalo le teng for the fact that gore hona le batho ba ratana hona o bulela re le rato ntse le le teng. So there is no way re ka tisa di gogotho mona le mehlare mo mamedi ka re hatsetse o fumana motho o bua ka mehlare thata no so manyalo ke scam mama there's no way there's no way
lwana wa bua ka
ke no ga motho gatsetse o gatsetse mpapa o bua tise metlare mo now there is no way if you don't have money that doesn't mean there is no money.
There's no money.
If you don't have a house that doesn't mean hauna matlo. Now it's just that now most of the time re give up and talk of honor in the failure ki runa how are you come most of the time manyalo le the relationship re give up and into to total kana go tsene most of the time ki runa ba di fail because I will tell you 90% ya batho ba ka ramanyalo le ba divorce 90% ya di mistake leading o tlo thola re ki runa ba mess up ile. Now it's just that we are good tabing your shifter blame. We are good on that tabing your shifter blame. That is why we don't take accountability. Re shifter blame, re blame our partner, re blame our mom, re blame but re blame. But let me tell you something about 90% about to bagara manyalo. Le ba manyalo a faithing. O tlo thola re ba contribute le ka society from experience. Ke bua from experience Mohammed, but it's just that remofuta wa batho ba sanking accountability. So now the biggest problem sataneta re give up and ntse nyi failwa ke rona yo tlo thola if una ka dula fatshe wa change dintho tse itseng ka wena ha ba you if o ka dula fatshe wa change dintho tse itseng ka wena mpho ona jole ke tsamaka BMN ke tsamaka ne if go fokole ya mo sa tsebo drive that car is right there's nothing wrong. If are you going to blame the car?
Why can I blame the car?
How can you blame the car? Now, even today, there is nothing wrong, Kamanyalo. Marriage is a car. but ya batla motho a ithutele yona a kene ho yona because everybody ya ganang koloi ha ona mohlankedi ka rakoloi ya sa tsebe ga o ile a ruto a thola batho ba mo rutang gore koloi we gana tsena gere we kenya tsena so now most of us re ya manyalo re sena experience re kena fela ha re qetile ha re qeta ho thula re etsa di mistake re ema ka mekwa di gogotho tse thata mola le mehlare thata ntho tsa manyalo ke scam o thola re le thuwe kwena o no sa kgathalo no sa qeke ba you will never take the blame because we shift the blame. That is why if you take my car, so we cannot give up for something you would really because kabo madimabi nkile ka etsa show episode they make it perfect ne ke rata bua montsana ke kabo madimabi the reason I read some diphoso go hore harna university ya lenyalo harna college ya lenyalo harna eng re kenela manyalo really ka ditlhogo tse di gore ele low shady ho le lefifu mama kenele nyalo finda de
motho sa itse next gore motho we motho
ena qetile abali shontho engwe le wa yetla lenyalo ke yona la mo advice ba bolela re nna ke jwalo ke etse so o tomplela eng so then ha di qeta hore thula he se re shapeile re khutla jelo to blame lenyalo relationship in adina ne so nna I will never give up for lenyalo ndata I will never mapose because ke ithutile ntho I always take accountability
more wrong or wrong
ke wrong and most of the time ke runa ba wrong that manyalo le relationship we are wrong most of the time
because of pride.
Rena le bo pride. And most ya dintho tse thuba le manyalo rena re a di tseba. Re a di tseba. Le dintho tse re affectileng re a di tseba. Re a di tseba ka ofela re tsona. Motho ka o bolela una le ntate ya tsebang gore ntho e ke etsa mosadi wa ka e batla mo re yetsa example ona le ntate ya tsebang gore monna ka mosadi wa ka batla ke tsamaya ka di Friday ha batla ke gutla Monday o tlo gutla ka Monday. But hosane ha mosadi a qala a di etsa dintho tse hona le bontate ba jola a jola ntse tsore mara mosadi ka ha ka nkgabeletse tlo kwata hosane mosadi ha mkgabeletsa a sa jola o satise mehlare thata undot unte mosadi ka nna ketsa yona undot ke bone ntwe mpe ka mahloka mosadi ka nna ketsa satise mehlare thata mona e ka rotu emi line ya sasa o ka 4 o'clock wa bata tu le batho ba se ba lo tswa o se mfugo ke ipoza gore mara le bona ba ba zwa ka 4 o tlo mothai no ntate lenyalo se le nthe thatana ke don so ba ti create ke re na le basadi ba create di problem wa tsaba re monna yo tla o jetsa ra ke batla mosadi ya manganga ha ke batla mosadi ya le rata wa yetsa hosane ha monane ha ke re ba yetse montate ba monane ha sa fetwa baby Jake Matlala because bana ba bangata ba fetwa baby Jake Matlala because ba good ka judgment e se le baby Jake Matlala okay now nene motho sa re ke dula ka she's so much abusive but that abuse it did not come to it qadile someone the problem ya runa we don't want to take accountability and that is why today re tlo blame batho re be re kwatele lenyalo le innocent
go really fact tse o bulenga tsona accountability ke engwe ya tsona must take accountability
we need
to accept ha ke le wrong
we need and mpo ya boraro we need to have a willingness every time. You know, when Rebecca willingness, you are willing to change. You are willing to do things in a different way. You are willing to change the strategy. Willingness is one of the things that are powerful. Now, but and one of the things is sharp on pocket of it is when it was good when you were only alone.
Yes.
Right. Partner. But manyalo re batla go tla ka tsona di relationship di be di re ka re qetile be re blame manyalo re etseng jale ke rata ke give up taba give up it temporarily it's not a permanent decision that is why nna le batho ba reng a ka batla next camera 3 years go tletse Because the decision ya hore sa batla niks, it's not a permanent decision, and it's not a decision strong and innocent emotion. The emotion say most of the time we are making that decision ya hore sa batla niks, not because of really right, not because of really hate. So we are making the decisions because of really hate. Not the manyalo ha ina manyalo mpokile ha banna ba mpokile le bontate ho bona ba sali ba mpokile re etsa di decision ka baka la re hate re be re le bana re le qeba le leng le a fola ha le qeta ho fola ke mane mo tswele re batlang hape tswele bohloko ke bona he maphosa mohlomong re tlong ka mamedi bohloko ke bona kana wa tsene re fola maqeba be re decide go tlala manyalo di tshobotsi se di fedile o kila bona nkhaba le sephaka na mena sephaka ibina pina ya mkhondo wesizwe hamba ka kondo wesizwe
what inyabi
mpho
Dr. November
ukila bona na make out la sephaka mo
how do you say le kuwa
bohloko ke ha when o nkile qeto ya hore sa batla next kana ko yo o ntse le marketing o bo gutla also out of the market o bo fihla hai wa tsana se ke batla motho ratang nama e se bina hamba ka tlem o tsona le ba swabela le ditshobotsi tsa bona di looks tsa bona ba di swabela tati so ba batla di camera tse ntho
bone motho o bua bia khola phone ya sokulisa e sheba ya sokulisa ha
batlo mo ye ngwe ke ratang ke ya di snapping e chintshang di photo tati so most of the time ba tsama ka di phone tse chintshang di photo tsa di smartphone tse tsang hore e bitswang ntho
can di bona doctor
tsang o be smart e tsa re o tlowe
o bankanya wa phafa di wrinkles tsa doctor
phone e tsa be smooth mar o ksala
kopana le ene ha o kopana le ke bona bothata bo
so we can see where le runa re ipona re tswa marketeng. That is why today re sebedisa di phone and le di photo ha ka re motho nrumela di photo o mo se ba di kgetha a di kgetha papa ka se rumele photo ngwe o tla go tla solo sheba ye ngwe
online no kgatetse offline
So that is the problem, Apostle. If people can understand, or guys, let us not blame Lenyalo Kappa relationship just because Rekopale Batwaro. No. Because Liruna contributed. Honestly, that's not. Nam Yemo Mamid, when I did the relationship, so you contributed in Gassel. What like you do, and I know, right? Marmona cannot plan that. And that is why next has been nobody in it. I give her in that.
And Dr. Can you work your willingness to be willing to do something? One of something, Dr. Ware, Onasa accepted Musaya Atlanta. Your second wife, if I'm not mistaken, then come accept. Or by some school, everything. You're willing to do that. Everything. Let me just change, man. Maybe Kisana, Dr. November, I could get changed.
I'm not a morning person. I'm not a morning person. I get to say. Now to so se mo mamira karata kore ke tswa ke ba le bothata because ke motho se kula mo roba ke robla ka bo 2 3 4 nga roba now but ne ke tswa why ne ke tswa ke sa bana se preaching ne ke tswa ke opla ka tseleng re qabana ba re qabana be ke nka kula ka ke tsama ke right ke tsamai ke kene ke na le caravan ke reke hle ke kena na caravan ke roba a ke tata o tswa o se mfru mbotsa ke suswe ke kolong ka ngwana ke tlo ba isa preaching.
Because okay, let me change this. Let me change.
Let me be a different person. That was the reason I get into it. We saying guys, today we can't Saturday, no, we don't eat that. Saturday, we go to the restaurant as a family.
As a family.
As a family. I was like that, my boss. And over 2 years, on and trapper, pop, and sell little yogurt. Can drop a flat, man, the you hotel a go. Let not trap on my mind.
Tu comprends pas, je suis pour la vidéo sur Facebook. Le chemin tout ça dans présentation. C'est tout pour avoir pièce.
Man trap a hoot. Kur bana ba wis ma boss tu kur kamana hana ritle bana le momor kur bana je set up. Ko ra mo tshwara mo emisa o di ma hao o di tsilong aba o hata di zepi mo ko ra a trap ko re ka ro le mele tsore ke ba to fitla ka moring ya ka le mama me o ska itsa next ko ra eme o di ma di zepi mo ene jela ke o kholo le tlola o kholo tlola rof o tsantse le me sien ma boy ka ko tem 20 my boy. I want to know because man is only shooting about. I remember it's only shooting about. When I was.
I'm sure to be my Marco. There's no way.
Oh, drop a pop and drop a
Doctor November.
One who came in the hey, hey, boy, I don't want to do it. Handle. Mamedi. Hey, man, Mamedi, no number. But because I wanted to be a different person, and Lino, my wish is to change. My boss, there is nothing else changing. Change. We can see everything a change. Technology a change. Life is changing. Everything. Kiruna fell about who are not willing to change. Otolo mutabila le 40 years. Kanto I dilo ngobaliona hanali 10 years. Emuna li 50 years. Kimbokoto. Kimbokoto tla ujetsa nna ke kwatile ko paketwe. Hai sa no twela o tole ngwana. No 50 years unto batla o twela. Nna ko ba Eastern Cape. What's this guy? No, not complain. Dieko, njani, uyekwe njani, ulilinyano, kapoledi kamano, ukisebo tupilo. So that is the biggest problem here. People, they are not willing to change. And marriage in that, about willing to change, relationship about willing to change. That's all.
If I'm wrong, I'm correct. Babamba runare tarere, nah. I'm not alone. We are together. We are one thing.
It is because on are about to bow le hasanyet untali independent. Motia independent, everything about bakayen. Le haka buaka kolo itu buaka kolo yaka. Why? Because we are independent. We are independent. We don't and a kikerel. Kelula we are no blender. I'm no more alone. Second partner. So there's no way you can give up on my post. The biggest problem mommy could give up. How to tell agriculture baba banali the butterfly, ufone anali smart, anali the pot or anali smart curious. Who's an elite ya chincha na ya sanrolo hofmane butterfly ka re ke sekolo pata hofmane chinchile mami ser sa bone masiba bona ntho ka re school pato gore be re ipotse o se smartiso ha tla etsa school pato na kene ke kanti motho na ntse butterfly na ntse se rubele na mati chinchile distress tse se rubele sa lo fihlela se le school pato twice kapa se go se re motho ke yona ntho ya o tshepo ka tswana champion o ne lahlisa bohloko ena ka o tshepo mameti batho ba breaka ba lebala gore di-body di a change mameti e a change kore e bo e batlele stretcher o fumane mokhabona o batla o subele ka rantho e thata ka ratite ba e subele o fumane motho a isubele ka re kenya ho empe ya group 4 kila bona motho a tswa toilet o subetse empe kila bona motho a tswa toilet mosubelo wa toilet batho ba subelang le mekhaba ya ba bolela gore o swaka mkhulule na kotu kanete na le mina thokwana mkhulule na kotu ke mkhulule na kotu ke
o bona Dr. Mkaba la ka go lekile go bona di title tse o bona
o bona and bohloko ba bona ba di subetse jwalo ba lebetse gore o na nako le roba o na nako le roba o na nako le roba la mama here huru
okay doctor
RGF quake tikinyesa kanti una le ntho tswang ka ratite and o ha o so le moholo wena o batla computer le bana ba hona jwang ba bo mathutawa bana ba mathutawa ntho ba le nyona di-body tsa bona di smart ke tse ba etswa ka material o jwang bo gore kana go tsene ke khale ka ka be ile hona ke hlanka ka o mathuta ba hona jwale mathuta wa under ba smart ba na le di-body tse smart ma di bona ba ntse ba tsofala and then ka morao ba tshetsile so how so tsofetse e bile jwalo so le China ke man mo latang body tight tsena nang le linto sponge korobana o batla skete se tshetse fela ka morao o tshetsisa skete kanto ka sponge a bone ha ke le o the right pick ke ba jiki ke re ba jiki ke tsebo bona hore ka morao ona sponge because I create the tsa sponge di bona se dia se kama sometimes how do you think ka dia shift
o ka kana go bare o ga ga o bona gona earthquake
ha ka mo cover o bu mutla le thata mpeng o tsebe ntho e tlammeng ke le fito o mo cover fa ha ko tla tlamme ntho e thata mpeng o ko tla ka rona le lejwe kapa plaster sand kapa gebs
Ntseko but
tshwane ka re ke gebs man so when we give up, we need to consider the Bontate bona, they need to consider Tamaya Butsofa. Bontate, the advantage of Bontate Kurfela, Bona, Badula Bali marketing is Solanka Cheltelity. Advantage of Bontate. Badula Bali marketing doesn't matter Manuela Nasalita because Bontate Manuela Bona Abatata, Abatata, and then but the problem again, disadvantage of Bontate. Kia o re fela hamur ha o thuso khosa ona jwa e be le re mohlang o so tsofetse le re hamur jwale e se tswile mofeng e se le los kona o se batla go tlosetle
kona batla go betsa Motheo dumela Motheo dumela
Hello
le kae thank you Dr. Haritemo Morisa Motefem fa re lefa ra dira tiro ke kuri ga ba doctor o itse ke motho kwata mara ha motho a dira jana go se go bui ka seprofeta go se go bui ka dithapelo re bua ka dihamore tate
re bua ka dihamore o re batla seprofeta
re tla moprofeta motlhomong bothata ke bone ba hamore motlhomong
ha re moprofeta re
mo leke doctor mo ko mo re ka mo sanitizer mo sanitizer mo bothata bo mo bothata bo mo doctor no batla gore o mo re
so maposa batho ba se ba give up batho ba se ba give up ene batho ba cheke manyalo a bona ka the relationship because una le batho ba ileng ba tswa manyalo ka the relationship and today o ile worse than ntona le ana le yona pele today that and I don't know whether ke plan ya Satan ka re pushetsa mo re bang worse go re thole gore ena yona ni le bitire ene ke na le yona but e ke na le yona no that is why ke jotsa batho ba ka kere that is why batho ba ka se ba hlola ba lebala di ex ene batho ra tere lebala ka ex king kere hey ha o bonolo. It is not an easy thing to forget about your ex unless the current partner only about the ex.
Yes.
Because una le current le batho ba tlang tate go re motho le icon ke hopola ex ya ka ke utlwe o ka ro ka ebile re ya di toilet a se re tlatile re ba hopotse go re ye toilet le phone lo o botsa ex o mo kana go tsene o botse ka ngwana ya ona le bana ebile bana le bana ba sinda e monna ne go tla go botsa ngwana o jwang ene kana go tseo
o botsa ka
yena ona ga interested ka o botsa ka ngwana le bo usibana ba tseba bo usibana bona ba hopotse di ex tsa bona tsa banna o founela monna ga papa ge ngwana ex thabo asore a ke batle next
o botsa ka ngwana
o botsa next ka ngwana ebile ngwana o gopotse mbotse ngwana teng go ka 2 months a itse le go bua ngwana 2 months go ngwana o gopotse ngwana o gopotse
mo tell di be
Paul.
Remember it.
What I do, and I have a check, just like good. Also, to be clean. Dr. Lavi, looking at school, Mutanga Yala Fumano, Lava, thank you to
assembly.
Thank you, memory.
Thank you, already so clear.
Thank you. Ba yetsa bosma o lahle motho because una na rona le ntebedi o sana o fihla o thola rajile e sekane le bitire o botlo mo hopotse ngwana 2 months re o mfone le papa ge wena a se gore rabichi kwena a se gore ke go batla ke batle next le no go phone because of ngwana o gopotse tshwara ngwana ba tla go bua lwana ngwana itse tshwantsa re ngwana
Ngwana mo dimula le sketsa ha itse o tla ngwana itse go ngwana tuma
we are hardly fetsa taba di ex until batho ba kena manyalong now le batho ba kena di relationship ntsentsha ba le willing to change mpo until re ba willing to change and until re change dintho tse itseng ka bona WhatsApp re yes
doctor WhatsApp ha bereki WhatsApp ha bereki
nna di number tse reng tsa phone 071 mo mamedi
94
mang
394
0 mang
071 394
95
071
yes my boss
394 9560
ha ba re phone ba ya tsanta kana go tseno thole o ilang kwa ke pelo wa kwata o sa batlane so mo phone hey wena hey o tloleta vest ya gago mothare he success ba tla kana I chase hey tloela to tla chase ka boema o batla go tloela ta vest ka ntumaka
she ba o bua ka vest a isena go ka vest ya nini mo tell di me
tima wireless
al 27 mo tell
tima wireless
Dr. Tarete Mogena wa 27 mo ditsa motho FM fa o letsa fa le ka go tima wele se gore kgone go utlwana nna le wena 071 394 9560 megala ya bofelo fela re tshware mo wena mo ditsa motho FM 071 394 9560 vest ya kgale
vesta ga motho o tsekise ne ke phatlolla
we ke ntse ke phatlo
ka ke kry vesta gago tlo heta ke ne a ke re o tsene
Motheo dumele Motheo
Hello,
le kae
I'm not okay.
thank you
Yeah.
hello ga o khile doctor I'm sure le una batla vest ga o khile
ke le tla mothara ga ke re o tsene
ne ke sa rotse
ha o re
Marwana phone
no ine le tsentho ine le tsempha tlo itatel
tla re to mo ka Motheo dumele Motheo dumele hello me wa nkuta baba o re la ma go mona ka le dutse le tshega ga mannete thank
you so much
doctor nna ke re go mona ta ba tshega ba itumetse doctor
yeah
re kgona go bankanya mo poso ga ke na bona go doctor re tse go bela ke re ha ke batla re buisa nne go na le ba bang ba reng ha sa le ke mamela show e nna le motho wa ka re sharp doctor
yeah no
ka
net
a re ke ka motho se ke dua tselene ke re ha o tlo go roba ke dua tselene mo ke re ha re mamela doctor November le mpo ba ba doctor ba mplela sometimes maybe when a doctor ba tsaba go bua nna ke kopane batho ba ntse ba kwena motho bua le doctor
no ya etsala bona ya etsala no maphosa batho ba boloke manyalo a bona le relationship because you know the biggest problem ke ene ke buleng ka yona gore re na le ngala today kanti it's a strategy sa satana gore o ngale because o ntse le marketing o bongala mohlang o tsile marketing re a tswa marketing and the play ke tse tla o tlontlola ke mangwele yo mmamele ona le mangwele le gore la ka re o batla iketsa o so montsha gore lengwele be le re ha ke dikeng gore lengwele le mmame fupane le sosopane ka re ke la nkgono o le galadila o la tla so o tla tlontlola o bona le mangwele le molala le mi matso ka odimo
mone thamo e
shopane smahlo sona se le smooth se le smart mare thamo molala ona na mane ya te bi ka re ke mogodu
doctor ba sile mogala go ba go krega le go kireke doctor November ba gae doctor ba kopana le wena kae ka sonta
mamedi every Sunday ke phase 6 ka 10 o'clock ha o ka re fela ke kerekeng ya Dr. November ka la taxi phase 3 kapa phase 7 o bo re fela ke kerekeng ya Dr. November o ka la taxi phase 3 kapa phase 7 di tla o thola kerekeng hantle and then ha o ka re fela ke kerekeng ya Pastor November 10 e tshweu ba tla o thola teng mamedi wa karata ke kena ka Sunday mo mamedi wa karata then ka Friday lekker Friday man mo ke banka tshebeletso tsa ka di ka moreng wena mamedi wa karata man mo ke apara skete sa ka se smart wena mamedi wa karata ke kena every Friday o lekker Friday kanti Monday ke na le TikTok ka 9 o'clock ya Pastor November end kapa o re fela Pastor November kapa Dr. November ke TikTok ya ka o tla mo ke available maphosa for batho ba batlang ba nyalang ba batlang invite for manyalo a bona the marriage counseling di anniversary ka fela ntho tseng am available ba ka mfounela fela dinomoro ke tla fana ka tse di letsa office tsa 078 398 3446 078 398 3446 setting ke 079 083 3833 079 083 3833 tsaka mo mamedi personal number yaka 073 202 9079 073 202 9079 mamedi a le mpatla kana go tsene santone o senda WhatsApp fela wena mamedi o karata ke tla mamela then ke khotla le wena thank you maphosa
doctor thank you be ke tlana ke
ai re teng papa mamedi boloka manyalo a lona ke ona fela mantso ka wa tshong make sure that boloka lenyalo now and we young the problem o pla re buile ka batho ba we the problem check out the problem ha ile problem ya o tswa lenyalo nena le go gutlela mo no phela teng ke fe betere
le willingness
le yana when you make a decision check out kelelo yo etsa the decision ka yo because una le decision tse o reading ka o tholore if o operate ka kelelo ya bofutsa kelelo ya bofutsa ha e sebetse ka gain e sebetsa ka loss kelelo ya bofutsa e tlo bolela tswa o tla bona a ba tswa fungala motho ba ngala a sena le mo ya nteng ha mo sa ya ka re ke tla bona ko pele ke kelelo la bofutsa ha petilo lo dula ha ragadi a tle le bana ba 4 and bana ba 4 bana o thole ke bana ba jang ha ba qeta o ja ba ya toilet gore mo mamedi gore ka re bana motho ka re ba sebetsa ma gore o thole bo ragadi le bona ba sa thabile ko dula lo yana le bana ba hao o fele kuranta mo mamedi o bola tuo daily sun le pampiri a tswekere e ngotsu holat ngotsu pampiri a tswekere o sala tuo le cement o thole ragadi a sa tseba hetse jwa ka mala ke pampiri a ye bonta to di contract ya ka re pampiri a kuranta bana ke bana ba ja ba ya toilet oh my God, bye bye guys, see you. Bye bye guys, I love you. Bye bye, bye bye, bye bye, bye bye, bye bye, bye bye, bye bye.